Hey there friends, today I am unbagging or unboxing this UR Ultimate Comfort Set. So this is a cool gel memory foam seat cushion with a rain cover and lumbar support, and it comes in this nice little baggie here with a zipper. I picked this up off of Amazon for a little under $40, and when I mean a little, 1 penny. Alright, so in the bag, this must be the rain cover part. So this is, what is this made out of? It's kind of a, okay. So you can slip your pillow in here. That, okay. So there's a little rain cover. Ucare. What else is in the bag here? Oh, it's pretty soft. It smells okay. Alright, so in here we have the lumbar support and kind of a nice feel. This is like super soft here, and it's like thick like memory foam, so like squeeze and it comes back nice and slow. This looks like it'll be it's firm for support, but just has a little bit of pushback to it too, so it feels like Tempur-Pedic. And then obviously if you're putting it around your chair or something, that has 2 adjustable clips here, so you get in there elastic and you can put that on there. Okay, pretty cool. What else is in the bag? That's it for the bag there. Alright, so here is the seat cushion part, and you can see how it's just kind of contoured. I believe you sit on it like this, so your spine is not on anything there. Give you a little bit of space, and has a little place for your legs to go there, nice and contoured. On the bottom, pretty good idea. It's got little kind of like little beads here, like plastic rubber beads, so it's like non slip there. So if you put it on your chair, it's not gonna be sliding off. That's a good idea. All right, you know what? This is actually a gift for somebody, so I'm going to include this unboxing with a review here. So give me just a second. I'm going to set this up on my chair, and I'll be right back here. Alright, so here it is on the chair, and the elastic went on there right around the back here. It was easy to adjust. You can pull, cinch it tight. So it went on there pretty good. Lumbar support. I'm going to go ahead and sit down, and we'll see how comfy this is. So, oh yeah, you know what? It is pretty nice, actually. Feels pretty good. Yeah, I can feel it like pushing on my back. It says it's like a cool gel, and it definitely feels comfortable. So, what can I say? It's comfortable. I mean, feels pretty good. It's not. It says it's kind of a cooling gel. I don't have any tailbone pain or any back pain, but yeah, anyways, so it is pretty comfortable. I've said that a few times. I don't know what else to say. It's a memory foam seat cushion. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So but it's almost 5-star rated, like 4.5 pretty much, so I can see why. Seems to be a nice little set here. So thanks for watching this unboxing and review, and everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.